Welcome to my channel. I am Blue Lotus Vibes by Janita McLean. I came on here today to share with y'all my Temu haul. One item I've already previously talked about it, but I have never used it or unboxed it yet. And that is my resin curing mat. I'm having very difficult problems with a few of items that I have previously already poured the resin in, and it's taking its time to cure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, unbox the curing mat, set it up, and then I'm going to use it. So stay tuned, give me a minute, and I'm going to get everything together. So I have my Temu box, and I'm going to read to y'all exactly what it is. It is your resin heating mat, fast curing machine for resin with silicone mat, lightweight, quick resin dryer. And I got mine, as you can see on the box. I got mine at the time for $28.79, but now here on Temu, I see that the price went up. It is now $31.98. So it's still a good price. I'm going to also look at it for instructions. And in it came with a cord. I also have the other piece of the cord right here. And it has on here your different speeds, or I'm going to say time. It has 2, 4, and 12. So that is right there on your thing, and you have to push that button. Here's the other piece that goes to that cord. And this cord is connected to the mat. And like I said, it's very thin and very lightweight. Very thin and lightweight. And this says this is a 20 watt. So I'm assuming that it goes like this because that is the sticker that is on the back. So I'm assuming I have to flip it like this. Now I'm going to move this box out of the way. Move that out the way. And I'm going to put it right here on my self-healing mat. I'm going to turn it this way. And I don't want this other silicone thing to touch it. Okay, now I'm going to pull out one of the silicone mats, and then I'm going to read the instructions to see what we need to do. Okay, so I have put these two pieces together. Like I said, it's 2 hours, 4 hours, 12 hours, and it also has a little button. I'm assuming you just push that. But this is the extended piece to this. And this is your off and on controller. Make sure y'all can see that. Your off and on controller, and you just slide this around. But I'm going to leave it on off for right now. Make sure I got it on off. Okay, now I'm going to read some of this first so that I will know what I am doing and how I am supposed to be trying to cure this. It has the instructions down here, and it says demolding time of molds under 1 inch is about 1.5 hours at the fastest. And it says the fastest demolding time of the mold within 1 to 4 inches is only 4 hours. Note, the mold must be placed within the range of the heating pad. So the heating pad area, as you can see on here, it shows you where the heating pad area is. So the heating elements are right here on the sides and not in the middle strip. So I must have it on there in order for it to fully cure. And then it shows you like illustrations, basically to let you know how you are to basically set everything up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show y'all real quick some of the items that I had like from the same mold that I did for the chessboard. I was able to make this. Some of the chess pieces did cure. These are the pieces that did cure. I've made also bookmarkers. I'm just showing y'all a few things. So I'm really having a hard time trying to understand why the rest of it decided didn't want to cure. But this is like bookmarkers I made from that same mold. I mean, not mold, but from that same resin. I made keychain pieces. And all of this came out real pretty. This one right here, it came out somewhat halfway done. It's real still sticky to the touch. So I want to definitely put this back down some type of way and cure this so that this one, well, you know, I can go ahead and be able to smooth it out any rough pieces I might have. And this one right here, I had started demolding it somewhat, but I found out that this part right here was still sticky. I'm going to take a toothpick so you can see it's still sticky. So I was like, okay, I definitely can't go any further and demold this. But this right here, as you can see, this is solid. All this is solid. And each and every one of these that I'm pulling out now to put on this pad, they're all solid at the bottom, but just not at the top. And like some of them, I might have knocked over one or two of them. It's just still liquefied. It's just pouring straight out. So I was like, I have no idea what might have happened. So I know I'm going to have to go in and probably definitely go back and redo a lot of them. But the ones that I do have right here for right now, I will be taking and trying to cure them. I'm going to first start off by going maybe 2 hours first and then go for the 4 hours. So I'm going to set everything up and let you see me set it up, and then I'm going to go ahead, turn it on, and start curing it. And then I will come back with another video to let y'all definitely know if this in fact did help. Try not to knock these over because some of them are so easy to knock over. These pieces are so easy. Some of them did feel like they started to get kind of hard. Like, I'm trying to show you. Like this one felt like it started to get hard up in here. But when I take, let me change my angle, y'all, so you can see me. But when I take a toothpick and I go in, you can still see it's sticky. Turn y'all around. It's still sticky. Very sticky. So I know that that one is not done. There's a few of them over here that I have already started moving them around, and a lot of them was very liquefied. So what I'm going to definitely do with those is have to re-pour those. I'm going to have to take them out and re-pour, but not too many of them do feel like they are completely done, but a lot of them at the bottom are definitely done, all the way done, all the way through. In fact, as I'm feeling it, all of them are done all the way through. It's just the top part, which is really the bottom, which would be this part right here, the glitter piece right here that I have on here. That's the part that is not curing on all of these ones that I'm putting over here on this mat. And like I said, some of them are too low. Like you see how low that one is, very, very low. I'm definitely going to have to redo that one. So that one I will be taking out and redoing it completely all the way through. But like I said, sometimes you're going to have some hit and misses. It comes with the territory. What I'm going to do is I'm going to probably, like I said, put this on 2, and that's all of them. I'm going to put this on 2 to start it off with. Come back, let you know an update on there to see how it happened. Maybe it helped, maybe it didn't. If it did, then I'm going to be able to demold all of these and let you see how it happened. But thank you so very much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And you know how I always say, y'all be safe in these streets. Thank you.